Are you freelancer? Are you want to become freelancer? Then you must be aware of types of scams going in this industry. At the end of the video, I will guide you how to check client is scammer or a normal person. Number 1, security fee. When you create account on Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork or on LinkedIn, you will get message from foreign clients. They will give you huge task for hundreds of dollars. They will tell you meet my assistant on Telegram and they will provide Telegram link where they explain everything and they show you big dreams. After that they ask you for security fee. It may be $50, $100, $200 or even more. After that, when you pay the security fee, either they suddenly disappear from all platforms or they assign you such impossible task for very short period of time and then they don't return your security fee as you have not completed work within time. Scam number 2, payment and work delivery. As a beginner in freelancing, you have to work only on Fiverr or Upwork, where you have to deliver your work and then Fiverr will provide you money. Sometimes clients may give you some work on Fiverr, but after few days they say we usually don't do work on Fiverr. It is not beneficial for both of us, and they tell you to come on WhatsApp or Telegram where they can make scams. Majority of times there are good clients, but sometimes there may be a scammer. Now I will give you an idea with which you can easily identify the scammer. Whenever you get message on Fiverr or Upwork from any client, first check from how much time he is on this platform. If he joined Fiverr in a running month, then he is definitely a person who is going to scam with you. So chat with that person, but when he asks for security fee, don't pay that and immediately block that person. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.